In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Doola account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in doola.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Doola. You can see over here you'll be able to get started for free, or you can also sign into your account if you already have the account. So what you have to do is click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log in to your account. You have to log in with Google or email address. So click on the login method of your choice. If you want to log in with Google, click on this option Google. If you want to log in by providing your email, simply click on the field of enter email and enter the email address over here. Likewise, enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option forget password that you can see on the screen. After you do that, make sure to enter the password over here. Now after you enter the credentials, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be logged into your Doola account. So that is how you log in Doola account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.